The restaurant industry is one of the most demanding and high turnover industries there are. As a result, it's really important to have an efficient system in place that ensures your restaurant is clean every day. As a restaurant operator, you know that keeping your food establishment clean is key to maintaining good health standards and passing inspections with flying colors. But there are many different aspects of a restaurant that need to be cleaned on a regular basis, and this video will show you how to create it very easily and keep track of everything that needs attention now and in the future. So let's walk through it. So this is a very easily customizable checklist that's using closed answers and an automated timestamp. So you can easily change the type of questions and the type of answers. You can also trigger non-conformities and corrective action. And you can also apply scoring so that you can analyze the performance from one day to another. So once the checklist has been created, all you need to do is to go in the task dashboard and just start ticking boxes. So here you can easily answer the whole checklist within a few seconds. And so when you get inspected, you obviously want the reports to be generated for you, and this is precisely what the system does. So here you can have the report created for you every day without any action from your part. So just filter it and you will see everything that has been completed, everything that hasn't been completed, any corrective actions, and also any non-conformities. So looking forward to seeing you on the inside and helping you digitize your food safety records today. Bye bye.